So, this is my grandfather's old Land Rover, used for a long time, and it's been passed down to me. And everyone thought that it'd be a bit decrepit to do anything about it, but I want to restore it. So this is basically a before shot, and I'm gonna spend a few years working on it, and hopefully restore it to working condition. It doesn't really look much now, but give it a bit of time, get some help, buy some new parts. Might need to redo the whole interior, but I want to be able to say I'm driving the same car my family drove. So yeah, see how we go. I reckon it's doable. Oh, by the way, it's a Land Rover Series 1. 8-inch rims, 1948 maybe, 1946, something like that. Anyway, I'll let you know how it goes.